Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Training Center Jaipur, and you are watching my YouTube channel SLASHROOTDOTIN. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to configure SSH server on latest Ubuntu server, latest Ubuntu Linux machine 18.04. Okay. So first of all we need to install the package. So sudo apt get install SSH. This is our first step. First of all, we will install the required package for SSH server, and that is SSH. And after that, we will start this SSH service. Now start the service for SSH, and that is sudo service SSH start. After that, you have to check the status of SSH. You can see it's running. Now see the IP address of this machine. Sudo IP address. The IP address is 192.168.225.58. You can see. So now I am going to remote login from my Windows machine. You can use any SSH client software. Okay, I have a client software. I am going to use Fire SSH. So 225.58, and the IP address is 225.58. Username is Satish, and password is the password of Satish. Now connect. Yes. Wow, you can see now I log into my Ubuntu Linux machine. Here you can see this is everything every command I will learn. Sudo IP address, and you can see the IP address of our Ubuntu Linux machine. In this way you can configure SSH on Ubuntu Linux. Okay, now I am closing this service. Now go to back to our Ubuntu Linux machine, and now if you want to disable or to stop the SSH service, you have to run sudo service SSH stop command. Okay, and if you want to disable it permanently, I mean even after reboot, then you have to run sudo systemctl disable SSH. Okay, that's all, and your SSH is disabled. You can check status. SSH service inactive, it's dead. Okay, so this is our SSH configuration on Linux machine or Ubuntu Linux machine. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.